Hi, today I would like to show you how to install Windows Server 2022 using VMware Workstation Pro 17. So prior to this video, I already installed VMware Workstation and now I see this screen. So in this case, I will click on Create a new virtual machine. So a wizard pops up and for now I will choose Typical and hit the Next button. I also downloaded the installation files for Server 2022 and place them on my D drive. So I will hit the browse button, double click the correct installation file, and from now I will click on next. In this screen, I can insert the Windows product key, can also do it later. And in this drop down screen, I can choose the version. In this case, I will use the 2022 standard. Um, Let me insert just a username, in this case 5-minute IT, using a password, which should be not short, but a little bit more complicated. Then I will hit the next button, and it says, you did not enter the key. Windows will install one without one, so you can activate it later, but you can do it manually. Would you like to continue? In this case, yes. Giving the virtual machine a name, um, choosing a right location in this one. So in this case, I will use my external SSD drive. Hit the next button. Then I will be asked to choose the correct amount of hard disk volume. For now on 60 gigs, that's enough. And I will store this virtual disk as a single file. I hit the next button. It's giving me an overview, and I hit the finish button. It's now creating the virtual machine. Virtual machine is starting now. And as you can see, it's booting the ISO file. So it's beginning to install. It's copying. This might take a second, so for the time being, I will pause this video. So as you can see, the installation process is now over 50%. We're still waiting for the finishing installation, finishing the features. So we'll be right back. So almost finished. It's now trying to install the updates. Take a couple of minutes before all the ticks are green. And yes, after the installation process, the machine will reboot itself. Starting up now. So after the reboot, the machine already logged on using my username, and as you can see, the server is up and running. See the next video for configuring Server 2022. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.